Alright, welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. Look at this flyer good. If you don't know it, cancer is on the rise in Jamaica. Right? And check this out. Without education, we will not be able to help ourselves. So here comes a thing called Chase the Cure. Sunday, October 14th. 2018, a thing called Chase the Cure is a cancer awareness and benefit concert at Turtle River Park in Ocho Rios. Big name artists will be headlining this event. Come out to lend their support to the community, to include Tommy Lee Sparta, Sizzla Kalonji, alongside Maka Diamond, Libran, and Spotlight. Tickets are sold at Great House Pharmacy in Ocho Rios, Blingers and Total Gas Station, Cool Oasis in St. Ann Bay, Ocho Rios, and Brownstown. For more information, you can contact London Voice. London Voice number is 876-874-5459. If you contact London and you don't get him, contact Patrick Sparkles. Patrick Sparkles' number is 876-357-5710. Alright? If you're on the island around this time, remember, Sunday, October 14th, 2018, be there.